Gara mo
What the sig? Hello guys, it's me Ohoy Gaming 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Today we are talking about this guy, Mr. Beast. He's very cool,
Mr.
and his
Beast?
allegations are very bad. You see, he's did this with KSI. It's Lunchly.
Pizza flavor!
Actually, it's also by Logan.
Everybody knows, they know me where it snows. I skated and it froze. I know about nothing, but no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something years, I'm so I've been told. I'm never trying to say if I'm full. Then I'm in the nicest they find the floor.